Hello guys, this is William G from SA Tech Center trying to do a little quick unboxing of this phone, which I already did in advance. This is the BLU G90 from BLU. As you've been seeing all over the internet and Amazon, it is a hot item, so get it while it lasts. I just got actually stock. I had to wait almost like 2 weeks to be able to get one of these because they ran out of stock. So I already took everything out for you guys, so you can see here. And there are the specs here on the back of the box. Sorry for the lighting, and you get the idea though. If you have one of these, you should be able to see what I'm seeing here. And I already took everything out for you. There's this screen protector. It is kind of like the glass type, and took everything out of the box. You can see the quick guides, the sticker, the SIM ejector thing. It runs you through it. The case, very nice, but I would have preferred the transparent one, the one where you can actually see the phone, because if you put it in there, you're not gonna be able to see nothing, just the case. So, and they're giving you these stickers here to try this app that they already give you. It's called SIMO, free data. I might consider it. Why not? You got your brick here, your Type-C cable, and you got some headphones here that they include as well. But the main course here, there it is, your beauty. G90 at 6.5 inches, a pretty big phone, but the specs are pretty good too. I like this color, man. Like, nice bluish color. It's so beautiful. Like I said, if it would have the transparent gel case, it would have been nice, because now you could show it off and you can see the nice pretty color here, but that's fine. And it's already booted up for you guys, so you can have an idea what you're getting here, which is usually what BLU gives you. I already put it in dark mode for you guys and going through the specs here. But this is just unboxing, so at least you have an idea what you get. It is a light phone, so if you're worried about the weight, don't be. It's actually a really light phone, considering that I just got myself the humidities. They've been going like hotcakes as well. But considering their weight, this is really light for a 6.5 inch display and 6.5 phone. So here's the unboxing of the BLU G90. Nothing really fancy, you get the idea. And I got it from Amazon Prime, which is really quick. So if you're still hesitant on getting it, don't be. This is like a really good purchase, so go ahead and get it, and I'll be doing a review soon enough. Thanks for watching.